Hi guys. China has reported the first human infection and death from a new virus called monkey bee virus. The first person to be infected was the veterinary surgeon and caught the virus after dissecting two dead monkeys in March, according to China CDC Weekly. What is monkey bee virus that has claimed its first victim in China? As the world grapples with the devastating COVID-19 pandemic, a new viral infection has been reported in China. The monkey bee virus claimed its first victim in the country after a veterinary surgeon contacted the virus while dissecting two animals. The case, first reported in March of this year, was revealed in the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention briefing last week. The surgeon died in May after visiting several hospitals. According to reports, analysis of the cerebrospinal fluid from the patient indicated alpha herpes virus infection. Blister fluid, blood, nasal swab, throat swab, and plasma were also collected from the patient for further sequencing. The samples were sent to the National Institute for Viral Disease Control and Prevention of China CDC, where it was identified that of monkey B. What is B virus? The monkey B is caused by a genus of old world monkeys that severe as the natural host. While the virus is transmitted by the monkey can also become infected and die. B virus is also commonly referred to as herpes B, monkey B virus, herpes virus, and herpes virus B. United States Center for Disease Control (CDC) has said that B virus infections in people were rare and since its first detection in 1932. It has infected just 50 people, only 21 of them died. While the Chinese surgeon succumbed to the virus, there have been no reports of human to human transmission so far, and contact tracing showed negative results. The 50 documented cases since 1932 got infected after they were bitten or scratched by a monkey, or when tissue or fluid from a monkey got on their broken skin. The virus is found in saliva, urine, brain, or spinal cord tissue of which can be surveyed for holes on surfaces, particularly when moist. While the risk of common people getting infected by the virus is low, it is high among lab workers, veterinarians, and others who may be exposed to monkey or their specimens. What are the symptoms of monkey bee virus? Just like coronavirus, the first symptoms of the monkey bee virus are flu-like, which include fever and chills, muscle ache, fatigue, headache. In time, the person infected with the virus may develop small blisters in the wound, while other symptoms include shortness of breath, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, etc. As the disease wounds, the virus may lead to swelling of the brain and spinal cord, resulting in the neurological and inflammatory symptoms. Problems with muscle coordination, the brain damage, and severe damage to the nervous system, eventually leading to death. According to CDC, the symptoms may vary between 1 day to 3 weeks. How is the monkey bee virus treated? Currently, there is no vaccine to counter the monkey bee virus. Timely antiviral medications could help in reducing the risk to life. Doctors advise that if you are bitten by a monkey, wash and gently scrub the wound with soap, detergent, or iodine for 15 minutes. Run water over the wound or the area for another 15 to 20 minutes. Seek medical attention immediately. So, guys, please be aware with the monkey bee virus.